I'm just going to quickly show you how to do the reading check 1 for today. So go ahead and click on the assignment. It tells you to go to iLit, click on Assignments, go to Monitor Progress, click on Reading Check 1, and then Read, Complete, and Submit. So I'm just going to walk you through this. So you're going to go to iLit, and you are going to log in like you usually do, and then you'll see this menu like this is what you log into. So what you're going to do here is you're going to click on Assignments. You're going to go down to Monitoring Progress, and then click on the Reading Check 1. It's going to bring you to this page. There's a 4-paragraph nonfiction writing, and you are going to read this. You're going to answer these questions. There's 5 of them. And then you're going to go down here and click Submit. And that's all you need to do. And then you save and exit.